Okay, I think we're all here, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, I want to thank parents and families for coming out today. So thank you guys so much for coming. Let's have my three helpers, Lexus, Delia, and Ellie, lead us in our pledges.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. Attention, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for the Pledge of Allegiance. I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people. Please remain standing for the moment of silence. You may be seated.
During this time in our assembly, I'm going to have Miss Johnson come up and sing our birthday song for us, or lead us.
Okay, so I was so worried since we had a new principal that he wouldn't give me the mic. So I cried until he gave me the mic. Yes, for me, if you have a birthday in September, please stand up. Please stand up. Where's my September baby? There's not a lot of them. Only a September birthday. Okay, are you ready? Let's see if we can crush it this year. Clap big time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Happy, happy birthday. We are here to say, woo! Happy, happy birthday. On our special day, woo! Happy, happy birthday. May all your dreams come true. Happy, happy birthday from all of us to you. Woo, woo, woo. Crush it. Happy birthday.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Johnson. Before we recognize our September Students of the Month, we're kind of going off script here. Today is National Custodian Day. Now, raise your hand if you know what a custodian is.
It's somebody who cleans.
Hang on, go ahead. Somebody who what? Cleans. Custodians are people who take care of our schools. And like, I've been to a lot of different schools and we have the best ever.
That's right. Yes.
So, we have a few with us today. We're going to call their names and we would like them to come up here. So, Miss Tara. Brody. Mr. Martindale. Also, Mr. Terry, he couldn't be with us today, but we still need a clap for him. James and Stacy. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Okay, now, the best part. Student of the Month. It's time for you guys to get your awards. So, without further ado, first up, Pre-K, KJ Howe. Gabby Croft. Coleman Davidson. Colby Akers. Tinley Shelton. Emerson Shelton. Mason Fairclough. Samuel Moore. Lexi McDonald. Araya Cooper. Saban Henry. Aaliyah Sexton. Story Llewellyn. And Addison Coburn. Okay, I'm going to turn the mic over to Miss Moore because I think she has a fun game for you guys to play. So,
Go ahead and get a group picture of them for me, please.
Okay, well, they're taking pictures, teachers. In kindergarten, first, second, third,
Sarah,
fourth,
keep
fifth.
Let him get a picture of them.
Pick one person out of your class. Okay? Just one person per hear where they need to go. This is going to take a lot of teamwork, but I think they can do it. Are you ready? Go. Can't hold hands. Oh, look at them. Tell her. Tell her where to go. You can touch her shoulder. Good, good. It's Miss Moore. Oh, okay, stop right here. Here's your partner. Where should he go? Should he go forward? Okay. Here, walk shoulder to shoulder. There we go. Which one? Are y'all going to the red ball? Okay, keep walking toward that. There you go. Yeah, that's a good one. Woo, good job, Colby and Riley. Good teamwork. Oh, Claire's about to go to the crowd. Saved by Miss Crane. Okay, you can unblindfold Colby. You can pull it down. Oh, he's almost there. Oh, did the red ball? Oh no. You gotta make him go over there. Oh, JoJo got it. Good job, JoJo. You take your blindfold off. or Gunner? Gunner. Oh, Claire. You dang it, just gotta bend over and find it. Just bend over and find it. You'll feel it. There you go. Okay, I think they all found them. What do you think? Do they have some good teamwork? Yes, they do.